The Skytech Gaming Azure 3 Plus desktop PC is a powerhouse worth every penny for gamers and creators seeking top-tier performance. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this desktop PC in the description below at the best price. This machine packs a Ryzen 7 7800X 3D processor running at 4.2 GHz with turbo boost up to 5 GHz. Paired with an NVIDIA RTX 5070 T16GB graphics card that effortlessly handles the latest AAA games and demanding creative applications. With 32GB DDR5 RAM at 5600 MHz and a blazing fast 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, loading times are practically instant, and multitasking feels seamless. The 360mm ARGB AIO liquid cooler ensures that even during intense gaming sessions, temperatures stay low, and performance remains consistent without thermal throttling. The Skytech Azure case with tempered glass not only looks sleek but also provides excellent airflow and easy access for upgrades. Connectivity is comprehensive with Wi-Fi, multiple USB ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, HD audio, and even a free gaming keyboard and mouse to get you started immediately. While this PC is built for high-end performance, it does come at a premium price and may be overkill for casual users or light tasks. However, for gamers who want ultra settings at 1440p with smooth 60+ FPS or content creators running demanding software, it's an investment that pays off in speed and reliability. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on intensive projects, the Skytech Azure 3 Plus delivers a premium experience with minimal setup fuss. Don't miss the opportunity to elevate your desktop experience. Check the link in the description below to grab this desktop at the best price and see why it's one of the most capable gaming PCs available today.